Come on along. Hey Josh, we're gonna get back into YouTube world here. Is that all right? Right now? What the hell's that noise? Hang on to this for a second. I gotta go put my jacket on so I can go outside. Talk to it.
I don't want to talk to it.
Show them the turbo.
I'm trying to work on my... Here. There you go.
The internet that don't work. The internet that don't work. The Frontier sucks. Did I say that?
There you go.
What a day. What a day. That's not very big. But it's junk. Goes in there. We got a big project coming in. Wah. Wah. Whoa. Wah. Big Josh project. He's going to be the welder. What do you guys think of my new look? Young guy. The new guy in town here today. Oh, wow. I gotta get a close up.
You're gonna get them all excited for these welding jobs, and then you're not gonna do it.
I will. I will. See what kind of bastardized thing we got going on here. There's Troy. He's a waving. Look at that. She done broke off, boys. Oh, ah! Yeah. Been a while. In it. In it. Look at it. Tigerton. There's Mr. Tigerton. Look at what they want for that little bastard. Oh, Rodney. Rodney! That's a harvester. Let her sit over the grain tonight. It's about quitting time. Oh, there's Old Timer. Tip the head. Trying to give directions here. Wow. Cool. Up. How are we going to get that apart? We gotta get that chain off there. Chain off. Take the chain off. Watch your fingers. Did you find it okay? Okay, now we're gonna have a... Come ahead a little bit. Oh, he needs a new dog bone. Think that was clear as mud? There you go. We'll see, my geometry's all off today. Perfect. Now back up. So the head is sitting flat on the floor. Oh yeah, jib in, or tool, yeah. Jib down. I wanted to get it so we can put a jack stand underneath the tip of the boom and get this far enough away that you guys can pull that out. You know what I mean? Well, we ain't gonna get it far away now because everything is almost in a straight line, so we're pretty much right there now.
That's about as good as it is.
What do you think of that, old timer? I'm gonna put you on YouTube tonight. Is that okay?
Sure.
Good job, Troy.
Nothing wrong with that.
You need this too. He needs one of these.
It's
That's-
not even twisted.
That's, yeah, that's not twisted at all.
Yeah.
Half hour we'll have their back together, huh?
Lee had a hard time loading it though.
You're gonna wanna
Oil pressure lights
find a
on.
use one of these.
What oil pressure? Engine oil?
Yeah, low.
That ain't good. We need a wishbone. Dog bone?
H-Link, it's expensive.
Yeah, I know they are. Oh, Dad, we gotta tell you some bad news.
What?
Did you hear about it already?
Oh, you guys can walk in there.
The skid steer turbo is out.
On what?
Skid steer.
Well, yeah, I see it smoking today.
Yeah, and I had it parked here while the salesman was here. The building is full of oil. It's blowing through the turbo and right out the stack, so.
We'll have to get one then, I suppose.
Yeah, I got one coming. You guys done for today? Because I'm going to shut this thing off. Say hi. It's been a long time. Look at it. You've got your mustache going. All right. That's Troy. He's in charge of stabilizing things. Need about an inch. Is that what she tells you all the time? She only wants an inch? Okay. I'm back to my old self, ain't I?
What do you do with the other 10?
10. He's got donkey phallus.
Donkey phallus?
Is an inch enough? You did. Hey, watch your language. There you go. Perfecto. Un perfecto, por favor. Look at that. Now she can only settle a little bit.
That don't matter.
Yeah, good. Now safety first. Now hammer that pin out and let her flop.
it.
Are you guys poking fun of me behind my back?
We would never do something like that.
Yes, you would. You
No.
always do that. You're excited too, aren't you?
For what?
Get back on TV.
Very much excited, yes.
It's been so long, we're gonna get on TV again. Tonight's the night, boys.
You're gonna get famous and get
You're gonna
rich
get,
off of it?
you're gonna get flameless.
What about rich?
No. I ain't rich yet, so. You know that's gonna fall down and go boom.
Everything's what it's supposed to do.
Well, be careful.
Everything's gonna fall down, including the boom.
Is that cold, Kyle?
Yeah.
What is he doing now?
Gotta get a bigger tool.
He needs, he needs a bigger tool, huh? Troy, do you need a bigger rod? Needs a bigger rod.
He'll show you a big,
Oh, he's coming. Oh, look at, he's got a big crank over there.
nice crank.
This is an emergency. Get her done. I'm gonna shut this off because you're just boring me.
That's good.
I know it. That's pretty wicked though, eh? That's been broke there forever. Ooh, even there too. That's fresh. I think that's, yeah. She's been broke a while. You hear that? It's the first time I moved my wrist that far in a long time, it cracked.
Right on.
Right on, Mahoney. Yeah, woo. You guys think I'm nuts?
Huh?
You know I'm nuts, right?
I used to think you were crazy.
No, I'm just nuts.
No, you're not.
Here, we got her. She coming? Watch your hand.
Kept moving.
Yep.
You think you need a real hammer instead of that rubber one.
Well, Josh was on the phone.
Oh yeah.
Trying to call.
Make sure you run that right in. Secret weapon.
It's coming good.
He's still.
That's all right. Just whale her. How far you got to go? Half the way? That point right there might be, does this spin anymore? I bet you she's sitting on there, huh? We might have to start her up just a little bit.
You can put that jack under there.
Because I talked to Dan.
Just pull on it, Kyle. I missed it.
Okay.
Throw this in the tray.
Actually, we're gonna be up in that area. Arrow at some point. We might be there tomorrow, so if you want to just leave it there, just leave it there. And just make sure everything's there, thing. Alright, thank you.
Should we do that?
File for bankruptcy?
Or you just want to take that apart? Up here, take that link out. Yeah, we gotta take the link out. Duh. It's gone. My name's Mike Berg. See what we do when the day gets late and we're full of exhaust fumes?
We sit here and bullshit.
Sit here and bullshit and cut the cheese? Who put that plate on there? I'm curious.
That was me.
That was Kyle?
I cut the plate on the. Sorry, cut it out.
Kyle Mahoney?
Bender and torch.
That's a pretty good job. Did you hit it down with the sledgehammer? And good job. Your welds even look pretty good. Did you learn that from me? Oh, you got it. All right, I'll shut this off for real. Christmas tree.
I am a magnet.
Christmas is over though.
Yeah.
I'm getting long-winded for the first time back on YouTube.
What?
Long-winded.
Yeah, you should stop.
Okay, say goodbye. Say thanks for watching.
You want me to say something?
Yeah, say
You'll
thank.
have to edit
Don't
your
swear.
video. You'll have to edit
Don't
your video.
swear.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Yeah. Look it. I'm so young and sexy now.
Learn that.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Say bye, guys.